Hello everyone, today we will learn about transition in PowerPoint. We learn from basic to advanced of transition in PowerPoint. Today you will learn how to make a lot of different transitions we have never seen before. Is it like this? You think that you know about transition? I will give you just simple tips on how to use transition in PowerPoint. Okay, is it like this, or is it this one, or is it this one? That is what we learn in this tutorial. Okay, let's dive in this tutorial. All right, let's dive in. What we will do now is to we start from at the basic to advanced. Okay, the basic is what you know very well, but advanced I will teach you how to do advanced transition in PowerPoint. Okay, let's start with the basic. For you to do that, you first of all we get go to insert. Let's get some pictures or hotel. Let's get some picture. Go to normal online picture. You can get from your PC, or let me use online. Go to online picture, you pick few online pictures. Let's talk about car, PNG. PNG mean without background. Once you come on, this one I used before, let me use the same. You insert it, you are slide, then you click on this new slide. Okay, then you go to insert again. Let's get exactly what I use in the advert. Okay, now you will now click on the second one is basket. Let's go PNG. Okay, then this is one I use. I will insert it again. That's what we use to do the tutorial. Then next one is let me increase the size more. Next one is new slide. You get a beautiful lady online. Let me say girl, PNG. You get this is one I used before. Insert. All right. Now here, look at this one. I want to duplicate this. You like click and duplicate. Then this one, let me copy it. Control C. Then I will come to this one and paste it. All right. Then this one, I will duplicate it into 3 places. All right, let's now dive into this transition. This is a tab in PowerPoint. We have done Home tab, Insert tab, Design tab. If you have not watched our video in those tabs, please do well and watch it. It's very interesting. Now go to the Transition tab. Once you go here, you will see Preview. Anything you apply here, once you click on the style, you preview, you see it here. That is example. This one now under basic, if you look at this transition, we have different categories. We will talk about different categories. We have subtle categories. These are subtle categories. We have exciting category. These are exciting category. We have dynamic content. These are advanced one. Okay, we have also have what we call morph, but it's not in this PowerPoint. I will show you. You can get it in online PowerPoint, or you get it to a higher version PowerPoint morph. That is what I will teach in my next tutorial. Okay, now these are types of what transition in PowerPoint. All right, so for you to do, let's start with subtle. These are the basics. Subtle one, if we put any transition here, maybe let's use review. Okay, if you put any transition here, look at review transition, you come here, say preview. It will preview what you have done. Okay, this is how to do it. You can add sound, you can add sound. Let's add bomb. Okay, now let's preview it will come like that. That is transition number one. If you don't want this transition, you can click on none. This transition will go. Okay, now the second one again is under that subtool. You can choose random bar. Okay, then you preview it. This is just how it is. Okay, then now let's use push. Look at push. Then when we preview it, we push from one slide to another. Look at the first, you click on the second slide, it will take you to the first slide immediately. Okay, let's preview it again. Okay, that is it. You can add sound to it. You can add sound under sound. You can add any sound, click sound, then preview it back. Okay, that is it. Then that is all about software. If you go on, you can get, look at this one again, just flash. There are a lot of transition style that you can use here. Let's move, leave this one. Then under exciting, I can put organic or origami. Okay, this one, look at this one, look at how it will appear as if it is flying like bird. Okay, when you preview it, it will show you exactly what you have done. Okay, that is it. Now in this one, you can let us select another one. You can select anything that you want here. Let's select flagship. You click on this one, it will take you to that, the other, take you down. Okay, then in this basket you will see, let us consider another one. This one comb. Okay, it will from, look at, you could selected this, but it will the first slide will appear before you see the second. Let's preview it again. Okay, it will show you the first slide that is above it before it will now show you the main one. Okay, that is how about that comb. Now let's move to the dynamic content. This is the one that even the finger, those that are getting fit, this is what they are using. Okay, this one now, let us select this. In this first one, we have what we call conveyor. If you click on conveyor now, okay, this is what we selected, but it will show you the slide above it before you see the other one. That is the power of transition. So look at this again, let's preview it. It will show you this one and move. Okay, then if you select this one and click on conveyor, okay, look at this, it will show you this one, move to the next one and move to the next slide. Let's select if you select this one and click on conveyor again, it's just looking like a morph. Look at this, it show you before you move to this. This is the power of transition. Okay, let's extra show from beginning. Let's see. Okay, by clicking, you will see all the things that you have done. Okay, look at this one. Look at this one. Look at this one. Look at this. So that is it. Now, apart from this transition now, these are different effects of this transition. You can start from right, you can start from left. This one is from right to left, okay? Then we have different sounds. I will say before, we have different sounds. You can select any sound that you want. Lot of sound. Then if you don't want by click, like the one if I do slideshow, I'm using on click. That is why I selected on click. But if you don't want it, you can put your time duration. Let me remove the on click, and put time duration. Let me make it okay. As you have said, if you don't want on click, I've said it before, you can set the duration of time you want under timing group. Now the bed duration is 1.5, or if you want higher than that, you can move your cursor up. Then it set the time. Let me set the time 2 seconds. Okay, that is how to do it. Then you now click on slideshow. Then before you do that, before you set it, just hold the control key on the keyboard, then select all. Okay, once you select all, that is where you now click on that time, apply the time that you want, then select the duration that you want here. You can put the sound that you want here. That is not on click. You want to do this one first, but if it is on click, you select on must click, so that when you now click on slideshow and click on beginning, it will start coming up. This one is without mouse click, this one is with time. I set the time 3 seconds. Once the time reach, it will start appearing. But if you are using mouse click, let's wait for you to finish. This one is without click and not clicking anything and not clicking any mouse. It just appear because of the time that I set there and the duration. Okay, then When you don't want it like this, you can use the mouse click. If you're doing presentation, it's good to use mouse click to do that. Okay, so this is it. You can now close it. Then if you want to use mouse click, that's what I've been using before, you will remove this one, select mouse. Okay, when you select mouse, you don't need to put anything. You can remove the time to 0, you can remove the time, you don't need this time. Okay, now under mouse you remove this one, then you now click on preview. When you click on preview, you start clicking on with the mark from beginning. You start clicking. Once you click, it will appear. This is it. Let's remove the sound. Let's remove the sound, the transition, because doing presentation there are a lot of things that you will not do. Not doing presentation, you will now come and be putting slide. This one is just if you want to present something that doesn't require mark, or even if you want to put this the sound. It's good that you use only one sound, but it's not even good to put sound at all. Always when you are doing presentation, it's good to avoid it. Don't use don't use it too much of it. Don't use flashy effect in your thesis defense. Do loud sound. You can put small sound but not too much sound. And if you are putting sound, make it uniform. Okay. If for me itself, if you want to put duration, put 1.5 seconds. You want to apply for duration, put 1.5 seconds. It's a normal for presentation. But for me, I don't usually put this. Okay, you now select for sound, no sound. It's not good to put sound, but I just show you for training sake. Okay, this is how to do transition. But in the my next video, I will teach you how to use the advanced transition that is called morph. This one you will learn a lot of things in that tutorial. See you in my next video. If you like this video, please, if you are new here, subscribe, comment, and click on notification icon for more videos.